As you can see here, I have my donation buttons here, and yeah, it's pretty simple. That's what I'm gonna show you in this video, how you can create a donation button. Please donate. It's very popular right now. I think it's awesome and you should try this. It's very simple to create this, and you write this a title. Here you have your own stand, and you can add, as you can see, other people added their own. You can add your own as well. So yeah, I think it's pretty good. It's pretty awesome. So let's jump right into the video. If you're new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe. I really appreciate it. So now let's jump right into the video. So what you have to do is to check the description of this video, and I'll leave this link. Click on this link, and this link will lead to this website. Here, what you have to do is if you click on associated items, here you have badges and passes. Just create a pass. Here, write your item, and I write here, maybe, I don't know, pasta. I know it's not related, but you know, that's fine. And here, add your item. Make sure it's the right one, you know, that you want to sell. Click create pass, and then here, wait a couple of seconds. You create your associated items. Then you can simply click on one of them, and then here you can click on sales, and here change enable items for sale, and then just put here your price, save changes. You can obviously create more here in passes. Here we have the pasta sale. Click on sales, write the price here, click on save. Make sure you add the right icon here that looks good, like the one we have here. Okay, we have here other people you can see. You just need to add a good icon so you can sell yours. Make sure it looks good. This guy as well, and obviously don't put this price. This is just for as an example. And now if you click on press A, now click on click on this refresh icon right over here. This will refresh, and then if you create others, we just created this one as well. I mean, we created this one, pasta, and we have here now pasta. You know, make sure you have the good icon. And now is because is still in a waiting list. It's still in review. So yeah, make sure you put a good format. Then it's gonna load, and yeah, you can use it. You know. So I really hope that, guys, this tutorial helped you. Make sure you subscribe for more. I really appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.